Auto Obsessed here. What's the best cleaner and cleaning technique for dirty interior plastic, vinyls, and leather trim? We've got a BMW Z4 here. It's a convertible, so the interior is subjected to a lot more than most interiors and gets quite dirty very quickly. And in this video, we'll clean some of the interior bits. So check it out. Take a look at this. The door card is obviously dirty. There's visible dirt and grime on both the plastic and the leather sections here. Dust from driving with the convertible top down, skin oils from where the driver has rubbed their arm on the door, sweat, sunscreen, and the environment all play a factor in soiling this tan interior. We've got a strip of masking tape down the center here so we can see just how effective our cleaning work is. When you're cleaning interior panels like this, we recommend you spray the cleaner onto the entire area you're working on, let it dwell for a short while, and then agitate with the detailing brush. This brush has soft nylon bristles designed for leather cleaning. We use this brush on surfaces like this because its bristles are firm enough to agitate the dirt out of the textured plastics, vinyl, and leather, but soft enough to not scratch or cause damage. Work the area with the brush, back and forth, up and down, moving those hundreds of brush bristles across the dirty area to break up the dirt and help the cleaner encapsulate and lift the dirt off of the plastic. Apply a little more product if it's drying out, and carry on brushing until you can see the surface starting to look nice and clean. Wipe the area down with a clean, dry microfiber to inspect your progress. If there are any stubborn spots, or if the first round didn't get things perfectly clean, go ahead and give it a second round. Apply a little more cleaner and continue brushing. When you're done, the panel should look clean and fresh with a soft matte finish. That's much better. For this middle strip here, on some cars it may be leather or vinyl. On this car it's leather, and the Obsessed Interior Cleaner works perfect here. So we're going to brush it clean with the same Obsessed cleaner. Be sure to always test the various materials in your vehicle first. Use the same technique here, brushing to agitate the surface so the cleaner can lift the dirt out of the leather. The level of dirt and grime embedded into this leather is pretty high, so we're going to do 2 rounds of the cleaning. It's okay to do multiple cycles of spray, brush, and wipe using a gentle interior cleaner. For heavy jobs like this, we don't recommend using high-powered cleaners because that level of cleaner could permanently damage the interior. So a gentle, mild interior cleaner is the way to go. Even if you have to do the job 2 or 3 rounds to get the surface perfectly clean. And then after this tough initial detail, doing maintenance cleaning is easy because you're not working on years of grime and a buildup, so a single stage will be all that you need. So we've done all 3 sections here, the top panel, the leather, and the armrest, all looking clean. Let's remove the masking tape and compare the before and after. Yeah, that is fantastic. The cleaners worked wonderfully. The plastic and the leather both look fresh, soft, and clean. That's a look you want for a nice car like this. Very nice. We really rely on Obsessed Interior Cleaner to do this kind of work, and you can see the results speak for themselves. It's efficient, it's effective, safe on all kinds of interior surfaces, it smells great, it's easy to use, and it leaves a wonderful, soft, matte finish on the interior surfaces. We recommend it to all of our customers. You can get a bottle of the Obsessed Interior Cleaner online at autoobsessed.com or shop with our other Obsessed resellers at obsessedproducts.com. That's obsessdproducts.com. We hope this helps you with your detailing work you're doing. Please like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more auto detailing content from us. And thank you for watching.